Hello everyone, in this video I'll take you through how to build a super assistant with Power Apps, AI Builder and Copilot Studio. So what is a super assistant? This is not really a term, this is just what I have coined. It's similar to a super app where you can have a single app which can do the functionality of multiple apps. So super assistant is basically multiple assistants. You can just use them in a single screen. So let's get started. Let's go over a quick demo of a Super Assistant. As I said, Super Assistant involves a single screen where you can access multiple assistants. Here, if you see, you have all these assistants that can access in a single screen. You don't have to navigate different screens. So, in this example, I've chosen Power FX Formula Assistant and then ask it to provide an example for Power Formula to show a message and so on and so forth. It generated that code. Let me switch to another assistant, let's say a blog assistant. So when I choose a blog assistant, uh, the conversation starters have changed. So let me go ahead and click on this. So this is going to create a blog on the topic generative AI. So that's that. Let me switch to a Twitter assistant. So I'll ask the Twitter assistant uh, to post a tweet for Crater Lake trip. So this is the tweet it is given along with the emojis. And then let me switch to a LinkedIn assistant. Let's say I want a LinkedIn post, innovation framework. Let me click send. So there you go. This is the LinkedIn post it is created. So you can use this to post on LinkedIn after reviewing it. Uh, the next one is a PCF control assistant. Let me ask it to give me strategies for efficient PCF control coding. Click enter, and then let's see what happens. So uh, these are strategies that we have to use for PCF controls. And last but not least, this is the Dataverse data model assistant. I'll say give me data model and EID for the retail industry. Click enter. There you go. It shows the Dataverse tables on the data types as well as the UML. You can actually use Plant UML online editor to actually get the ERD. Let's go over how we created this application. So here, this is the app on start. If you see, you have a collection called Copilots here. We are storing the text, conversation starters, and prompt for each assistant. And here we're setting a global variable. So this is the one which is set by default when you start the app. So that's that. And let me go over to the data here. I'm using the create with text with GPT. That's the model I'm using. I'm not using the other prompts I created with the prompt builder. Okay, so I can use this single model. I can use it across multiple assistants. So that's the difference there. And let me go ahead and come to the super assistant screen. Okay, so the most important method here is the on change. So when we select the assistant from the drop down, this is the on change event. This will occur when anything has changed in the drop down. So what I'm doing here is actually filtering and looking up what is the selected one, and I'm getting that selected prompt, the text and everything from the collection. So based on that, I'll actually set the selected prompt copilot prompt variable and the selected conversion starters variable. Okay, so this variable is used in the controls. So if I go here, you see that is the default one, selected conversation status. And once it's actually gets the output, it is this is the response is bound to the result. Let me show you here. So this is the uh, create text with GPT. I'm using this instead of the other prompts I created using the prompt builder. So I can use the create text with GPT dot predict, and I'll give it the label prompt dot text as well as the conversation starters, and then this will actually generate the response. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.